Today, we're going out and enforcing a new law that was passed by our local lawmakers. It was inspired by the recent Arizona immigration law. However, it's broadening the scope and targeting a different group of illegal aliens. We're going to go set up an immigration checkpoint at a spot where we have reports that they're known to congregate. We're going to go try and round up and deport as many of these folks as we can. Come on through, sir. Keep walking through. You're good, sir. You can keep on coming through. You're good.
All right, thank you.
Do you have your documentation showing that you can be here on Native American land? Yeah. Would you mind sharing it with me?
Is that an ID or what?
Well, you know, this is originally Native American land that was taken by illegal European immigrants. So we are targeting illegal European immigrants today to make sure that they have documentation showing that they're allowed to be here. We're going to have to deport folks back to Europe.
Oh, I'm not from Europe though.
No?
No.
I'm
from South Africa.
Yeah, that's interesting. Sit down on the curb, please. Thank you. This is for the United States of America, ma'am, and so we're looking to see your documentation to show that you can be here on Native American land. Do you have something to show that you have a green card for being here on indigenous land?
Indigenous?
No. As much as it's about laws, it's also an ecological project as well. The air has been poisoned, the rivers have been poisoned, the ocean's been poisoned, the forests have been decimated, and this area is just overpopulated. These folks have run rampant over this land, and it's time to thin out their numbers. You brought in a lot of diseases, smallpox, wiped out hundreds of thousands of people, millions of people died from the diseases that you all brought over, so just taking precautions. Sir, we're doing an immigration checkpoint here, making sure you have documentation to be here on Native American land. White, illegal European immigrant, fleeing. You folks are okay. Come on through. Your hand behind your back. Appreciate your cooperation. Sir. 3 white illegal European immigrants have been detained. More of them keep coming, they keep breeding. I doubt we'll get rid of all of them. Ms. Durrett, this is from the U.S. government. We're looking for permission to be here on Native American land.
Okay, well, good luck with that.
Yes.
I know.
You do not have that documentation?
I don't, but I have to catch a plane.
You are
so
here illegally.
I
I'm
had
sorry.
time.
I wish your ancestors would have thought of that before they stole this land. We know they've come over here to take advantage of our natural resources and the stories that they tell about finding a better life for themselves or their families, and religious persecution is really just an excuse to come and rape the land. Legal European immigrants, do you have your documentation? Roger, we got a couple fleeing. We've got a couple illegal European immigrants fleeing. Halt! Stop! They tried to get away. It's really a gray line whether we can shoot them in the back while they're running away. Got a young boy fleeing. Please send, sir!
I felt discriminated upon. Yeah. All these other people can walk by, but since I'm white, I got stopped.
Made me feel pretty bad.
It's maybe the way you're dressed, anything.
My skin color, how I looked. They could tell I was European.
Kind of sucks, huh?
Yeah.
You are here as immigrants from Australia?
That's right, yeah.
Okay, well, I understand you all stole the land from the Aboriginals in Australia as well, is that correct?
Correct.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, so we're going to have to detain you guys as well. We'll send you back to Europe. You know, whether it's stealing the land in the Americas or stealing the land in Australia, the Europeans, geez, what a brutal group of people. Slavery, genocide, bringing diseases with them, poisoning the rivers. Today's the first step. Step by step, we're trying to reverse things, turn it back around, get these folks back over to Europe, and start righting some of the wrongs of the past. Thanks for joining us today.